Your car suddenly feels rough. The engine is shaking, power is dropping, and that check engine light won't go away. It doesn't feel right, and honestly, it's stressful. This is usually a P0300 random misfire code. What does that mean? Your engine has multiple cylinders, and they're supposed to fire in perfect timing. But with P0300, the misfire is random, not just one cylinder, and that can lead to serious damage if ignored. First, check the spark plugs. These are small parts, but they do a big job creating the spark that keeps your engine alive. If they're worn out, dirty, or covered in carbon, your engine won't fire properly. Pull them out, inspect them, and replace them if needed. This alone fixes many P0300 cases. Next, move to the ignition coils. Think of coils as the power source for your spark plugs. If one is weak or failing, it can cause random misfires across the engine. You can swap coils between cylinders to test. If the problem moves, you found the bad coil. Now, listen carefully under the hood. Do you hear a soft hissing sound? That could be a vacuum leak. Cracked hoses or loose connections allow extra air into the engine, messing up the air-fuel mixture. Check all vacuum lines and replace any damaged ones. After that, check the fuel system. Your engine needs clean, consistent fuel to run smoothly. Clogged fuel injectors, a weak fuel pump, or low fuel pressure can all trigger P0300. Try a fuel injector cleaner or get the injectors tested if needed. Also, don't ignore the air intake system. A dirty air filter or faulty sensor, like the mass airflow sensor, can send wrong data to the engine, causing misfires. Clean or replace the air filter, and consider cleaning the MAF sensor. Still not fixed? Scan your car again. Sometimes P0300 comes with other codes, like P0301, P0302, P0303. These tell you exactly which cylinder is misfiring. Fix the root problem, clear the code with a scanner, and take your car for a test drive. If your engine runs smooth again, you did it right. But if you ignore this problem, that small misfire can turn into big damage, catalytic converter failure, poor fuel economy, and expensive repairs. So don't wait. Take action early, fix the issue, and keep your engine running strong. Because a smooth engine isn't just about performance. It's peace of mind every time you turn the key.